Back in 2020, Bentley unveiled the Batur, a roadster from the company's in-house coach builder, Mulliner. It was stunning and rare, only 12 were made. Well, now it's done something of a follow-up, another coach-built wonder from Mulliner, and it's this, the Bentley Batur. What you're looking at isn't just a rare coach-built GT car from Bentley. The Batur is both a preview of things to come and a look back at what has been and what is about to come to an end. Looking forward, it's all about the world of electric. The Batur gives us an idea of what future Bentley EVs will look like, the first of which is due to arrive in 2025. Looking back, this is a celebration of the 6-litre W12 that was introduced with the Continental GT in 2002. An engine that is reaching the very end of its life. Now, of course, Bentley couldn't tip its cap to the W12 without doing something special, and so it hasn't. Aside from looking bloody cool, this is the most powerful road-going Bentley ever. It's got more than 740 horsepower and 1,000 Newton meters of torque. That comes from a new intake, new intercoolers, upgrades to the turbos, other improvements throughout the engine. And fun fact, this engine is now 40% more powerful than it was in 2002, and yet it's 25% more efficient. Just think about that for a minute. 25% more efficiency, 40% more power. There are no exact performance figures yet. In fact, the 740 horsepower, 1,000 Newton meters of torque, those numbers aren't final yet either. But suffice to say, if it weighs something similar to a Bentley Continental GT, it's going to be very, very fast. To help keep all that power and torque in check, there are the 3-chamber air springs you find across the Bentley range, as well as the 48-volt anti-roll system. It's all-wheel drive, of course, and has an 8-speed double-clutch gearbox. And you get an electronic limited-slip differential and truly colossal brakes. They're made from carbon silicon carbide, and they measure 440mm up front and 410mm at the rear. There are also 10 piston calipers up front, 4 piston calipers at the rear. There are 4 drive modes: Sport, Bentley, Comfort and Custom. As for the name, the Batur is named after an 88-metre deep lake in Bali. The reason being, this car comes from Mulliner, Bentley's in-house coach builder, and the last limited run car it did was the Batur. That was very rare, just 12 cars, and it was named after Laguna Bacalar in Mexico. What else is there to know? Well, as you'd imagine, as a car from Mulliner, the possibilities are almost endless when it comes to personalisation. The splitter, side skirts and rear diffuser can be carbon fibre or a sustainable natural fibre composite, for example. 22-inch wheels are standard, but they can be finished any way you like. They can even be body coloured. The interior can be packed with wood, aluminium, titanium, carbon fibre or natural fibre again, and leather. The leather comes from Scotland to reduce travel mileage and therefore CO2. But if you want to take things further, you can ditch it altogether for Dynamica, a suede-like alternative. The carpets, meanwhile, can be made from recycled yarn, a first for Bentley. 2 details I really like: the exhaust system. The whole thing is made of titanium, but the exhaust tips themselves, 3D printed titanium, a first for Bentley. And on the inside, there are 3D printed 18-karat gold details. 3D printed gold. Finally, I said it was exclusive, but I didn't say how exclusive. There will only be 18 of these cars, all priced from £1.65 million plus tax. And they've all been sold. So, what do you think of the Batur? Would you pay £1.65 million plus tax if you could to get the most powerful Bentley ever?